very important that we make our patients feel as comfortable as possible. Having patients feel like they're the most special person in the world when they're here is a goal that we all share as a team in the practice.
It's a very fun environment. It's a very safe environment. We genuinely care.
Very welcoming. The staff, I think, really brings it together as well.
I think our personalities run very well together, and we're all very service-oriented, and we want to make this a great place for people to come.
We each have different things to share with patients, and I think that's what makes us, in a way, unique.
And of course, Dr. Engelberg, he's a great leader.
He's very genuine, and he's funny. He likes to keep things light.
And he makes that process easygoing. He's a very easygoing person.
He does a really great job with the patients. He does a great job making them feel welcome here, but also doing a very thorough, comprehensive exam.
Spends an hour and a half with every new patient before they even go any further into our office. So he gets to know them, he knows what kind of treatment they need, or he knows if he needs to set up more time to decide what kind of treatment they need.
It's really important that we communicate with each other. I want you to be happy here. I want you to be very comfortable coming into our practice. And I want to make sure that anything that you're unsure of or concerned about is addressed before we even start doing any dentistry.
He can meet a patient for the first time, having a consultation, and kind of open the entire new world for them.
Someone's listening to them and understanding what they're looking for.
Takes the time, listens to your concerns, addresses them, tells you in detail, what he thinks, what the best route of everything is going on.
You really have to go in and spend some time talking to patients and then, of course, doing a really thorough exam.
There is nothing we skimp on. We do a full perio exam, we do a full oral cancer exam, we clean all the teeth, and Dr. Engelberg comes in to do his exam on top of what we have done. And during that appointment, we ask them if they'd like to have the massage on the chair, which is nice. They can turn the TV on. They get to listen to our classical music if they'd like. We offer them a warm lavender towel to freshen up with and send them home with a nice goodie bag. So it's just a great place to be.
And look over here at this light, and they're right at me.
What really excites me about dentistry is that we can accomplish pretty much anything a patient wants, and of course it's really exciting when their case is done.
He takes pictures in the beginning and throughout the case. You see the process, and I think it's important to see visually the other people who have done it.
You have to see pictures before and after so you know exactly where you're going to and get an idea of the results you're going to have. And I think that's where the trust starts.
If you're on our website, you'll see that I've got over 100 different veneer cases, for instance, that patients can look at. You can always find a case or several cases that are similar to your own smile. It's easy for patients sometimes to visualize what the outcome is when they see a case that in the before photo looks very much like their photo.
You're like, okay, that's me. And yeah, I want to be there, and Dr. Engelberg could get you there.
It makes me happy when I see a patient, leave our office comfortable and that they can trust us.
We try to make them feel like this is a home for them.
It's a very, I think, friendly environment.
They feel good. They like us. We like them. And that's what we want them to feel like. You generally care for the patients.
There's nothing like having a beautiful smile. It warms our hearts to see patients so happy with the results, and patients cry. We're getting hugs from the patients. We're all overjoyed at the results. We know that we were a small part of changing their lives. I'd like to invite you to be a patient in our practice. I know together we can make your smile amazing.